I posted on my community tab on Saturday that I probably wouldn't be posting a video today.
You've been hiding in the shadows way too long. You always thought that you were weak, but babe, you're wrong. Yeah, you.
Okay, I have you guys on my computer, a stand, and a box, a couple other things, because I'm too lazy to go into my workout room and get my little handheld tripod. Good morning, it's Monday morning. It is the beginning of active rest week, and I'm excited about that. That means more of my favorite class, Warrior Sculpt. I'll be doing 4 Warrior Sculpt classes this week, which I am excited about. Eating my breakfast, one of these smoothies. I'm just logging into work here, getting ready for the day. I do have a meeting this morning at 10. So I worked a little bit, and now I'm gonna have an early lunch. I didn't meal prep this week. I had a bad day Saturday, and then Sunday I was just behind and I had other things to do. I did get some things that I can just kind of throw together, but for now, right now, I'm just going to have one of my frozen meals. I did get some of those. I'm gonna have this butter chicken. It's 400 calories. Morning. I did not check in last night. I got home like at 10:40. I think I last left off with you guys when I had my snack, the shake from the gym, and then I didn't eat again until I got home, and I had maybe like 400 calories or so left to hit 1450. I think I ended up around like 1330 something. So for dinner, I didn't really have a dinner because it was so late, and I had a serving of a raspberry Kringle from Trader Joe's and dill pickle chips. I know, not the best, but it did round me out to about 1300 calories. I'm just having this like usual, my strawberry smoothie, and I head to the gym at 9:45. I have a lot of editing to do today. I have to catch up on work, so I have a lot to do today.
We act like we're hard to get, but we know this is imminent, cause we keep falling right into it, right into it. Oh, we were only fun till you show me love. You bring me up into the place I love, the place I love. I can't control myself because I'm very dust. 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 I can't control myself because I'm very.
Alright, I just got back from the gym. I got some coffee, it's gone already. Add that to my calories. I'm gonna work a little bit and lunch. We'll see what I make. Okay guys, I have a confession to make. I just had some rusty taco. I had 2 tacos, fried chicken taco and a picadillo taco, and then some chips and guac. I didn't eat all of the chips. Yeah, I'm not sure what came over me. After work, my energy just went, and I just was craving bad food. I also had a Mike's Hard Lemonade. Not happy about it. I did put it in my calorie app. It came out to a little over 2,000 calories. I don't know why all of a sudden I wanted takeout, but I got it. For next week, I'm gonna start looking for some higher protein, more balanced breakfasts. I didn't meal prep this week. That could be another reason I'm struggling a little bit here, but I have to feed these pups. They are hungry, waiting for their dinner. Is it time for dinner? Is it time for dinner? Yeah, it's time for dinner. So I'm gonna feed the pups, and I have a pretty chill night tonight. This Is Us is on tonight. I'm gonna watch that, probably just relax and go to bed. Good morning. I'm here at the gym. I wasn't supposed to come today. I'm supposed to be in the office, but I have an appointment later and I would have had to leave early. And my boss said I could just work from home. That's fine. So taking advantage of it and going to the gym. I'm just gonna take my pre-workout here and then I'll head in. Good morning. So I did not show last night. When I got home it was about 10:30 and I was only at like 1,000 calories for the day, so I was like starving when I got home, but I didn't want to make a huge dinner either, so I ate these. There's only 340 calories in this whole thing. Now I am just here, just logged into work, and I'm gonna drink my smoothie like usual. Right, I just got back from the gym and I'm heating up pepperoni pizza mac and cheese for lunch, and I also stopped at Target to get some more water because I need more water, so I have my bubbly water. I am going to work a little bit. I'm gonna work in the living room because I need a change of scenery, but I'm gonna eat. I'm starving, and then I will check in with you guys in a bit. Here's my dinner. Gorgonzola gnocchi, and I added 10 grams of roasted red peppers. These right here. Alright, I'm still feeling a little snacky, so I'm having some of these Persian cucumbers, and I topped it with everything but the bagel seasoning. Got some water here, and I am going to edit. I just filmed the March in Review and April Goals video. Now I'm just kind of uploading all that footage, and I'm going to start editing and stuff tonight. You guys will have seen that video before I post this weekly vlog. That gnocchi was really, really good. I burned it a little, I cooked it a little too long, but it was very good, and adding the red peppers was a good idea. So if you ever have that, I highly recommend topping it with roasted red peppers. Hey guys, just got home from work. I forgot to show you my snack for the day. I had some of those honey wheat pretzels and pub cheese. I think I showed all of my other meals. Yeah, I did. Cut up some more of these Persian cucumbers and topped them with everything but the bagel seasoning. I think I found my new favorite snack for when I'm feeling really snacky and I don't want a lot of calories, because there's literally like 15 calories in this whole bowl. I gotta let Luna in, and I have to let Alfie out, potty and all that, because they are going crazy. Right, I got my dinner. I went to Nautical Bowls and got an acai bowl. This is actually the second time I've had one of these. I had one of these a couple of weeks ago. I didn't film because it was like a Saturday. I did post it on my Instagram though. I sometimes post more stuff over there that you don't see on the vlog. I am out. I'm gonna try to do a little Grubhub and Uber Eats to see if I can make any money. It's Friday night. It's usually pretty busy on Friday nights, so hold on, I'm getting an offer. I wanted to show you guys what's in here quick. So the acai and pitaya are in there. There's peanut butter. It's not, I don't think it's like real peanut butter. I think it's like powdered peanut butter, so less calories. And then those are little chocolate peanut butter protein chunks, I think from a protein bar. There's some granola and a banana on top. This place started in Minnesota, and I think it's in a lot of other places throughout the US now. They've grown quite a bit, so you should definitely check them out. I really love their bowls.
Think that it's time you let that spark out. You've been hiding in the shadows way too long. And who cares if